Christina Petronko, a staff attorney at North Penn Legal Services. Fair housing laws prohibit housing discrimination in renting a home, buying a home, selling a home, and securing a loan for a home. Fair housing laws cover people that are in what we call protected classes. So the protected classes are race, color, religion, national origin, sex or gender, disability, and families with children or pregnant women. We've been able to help a lot of people with housing discrimination issues, and you're about to hear from a few of them.
My name is Steve Makis, and I'm a client of North Penn Legal Services. I came home from work one day, and on my front door there was an eviction notice. And when I read the notice and everything, I realized that I had 30 days in which I had to respond, and I didn't think it was a fair reason why they were telling me I had to leave. So I contacted North Penn, and they explained to me that there was things I can do, that I would have to make accommodations, but the landlord would also have to do their part. And the end result was I was able to stay in my apartment. I've lived in there for like 15 years. It's my home, it's where I live, it's, and then having a 30-day window to just move out, it was devastating. I mean, I was a nervous wreck. It affects your concentration at work and everything else.
My name is Mary Beth Saporita, and I'm a paralegal at North Penn Legal Services. So I'm here today to share a story with you about one of our clients who we helped with a housing problem. His name is Frank Givens. He's an individual with a disability. So Frank called our office because he has a mobility impairment, and he was having trouble getting around his house, specifically getting from the outside of his house inside. And what his landlord suggested is that he and his family move to another unit, and that would have been very costly for him and really difficult because of his impairment. We suggested that he be given a ramp so he can get in and out of his house without any problem and not have to move. And we explained to them the fair housing laws and how they were obligated to provide that for him as an individual with a disability as a reasonable modification to the unit.
Hi, my name is Angel Lozier. I'm a client of North Penn Legal Services. I have two emotional support animals. Elvis is a Black Lab Dalmatian and Smokey is a purebred Husky. I contacted North Penn Legal Services because of my landlord giving me an eviction notice because there was no pet policy. Either had to get rid of the dogs or I had to move. If North Penn Legal Services wasn't there, I don't know where I would be right now. Legal Services talked to me and told me that because my dogs were emotional support dogs, that I didn't have to get rid of them and that my landlord could not evict me. And they sent a letter to my landlord stating that she was not allowed to evict me or make me get rid of my dogs.
Those are just a few of the successful stories we have to share. If you've been a victim of housing discrimination, call North Penn Legal Services.
Fair housing is your right.
It's your right.
It's your right.
Use it.